ここを見たことはありますか？私が見た景色を見たことがありますか？これは秘密であり、私たちの秘密でもある。優雅、強み、そして美の世界でもあり、私たちが作って共有した世界。過去を思い出し、その存在を祈り、未来に向き合います。なぜなら、私たちは自分がなりたいものになれるから。さあ、僕と目を閉じてごらん。僕が見るものを見て。
こんばんは、皆さん。Did you know Japan is considered to have one of the closest, most intimate, and harmonious relationship between man and nature in the modern world? It is well-rooted Japanese tradition to love nature unconditionally, take care of nature continuously, and pass this during infection to future generation responsibly. Japan is fortunate in several natural habitats that are largely unaffected by humans. Japan is made up of over 6,000 islands spread out over 3,000 kilometers, resulting in natural diversity and 4 distinct seasons. The climate also varies greatly from the north to the subtropical south. Next, the majority of Japan's mountains are volcanic in nature, as they sit on the edge of numerous tectonic plates. Japan has two ecosystems, which is deciduous forest and tropical rainforest, making it one of the world's most heavily forested countries. Mountains occupy over 73% of Japan, and the upper section of the most Japanese river arise from them. These rivers not only allow the Japanese to develop rice fields, but they also transport an uncountable amounts of nourishment to other sections of the land, promoting the growth of native flora. The sakura, or cherry trees, is the most well-known Japanese plant. Still, Japanese pine and cherry trees are very popular, and they provide stunning landscape all around the country, particularly in the warm southern regions. People in Japan used to perceive plants and trees as emblems of their divine spirit, and pines are still revered as sacred trees. Japanese nature is very powerful sources of inspiration, imagination, and creativity for the Japanese people, who delight in celebrating their environment in its purity legally. There are lovely seasonal festivals organized around the country, such as cherry blossom viewing, moon viewing, and snow viewing festival. As an appreciation of everything Mother Nature is willing to share with them, Japanese people do not hold back their activity when it comes to these egg celebrations. This is also a practice of decorating the entrance of houses with pine branches at New Year's known as Kodamatsu, as we can see here. すごいですね。Last but not least, behind each of these practices is more than just elegance and resourcefulness. This is a conscious presence of infinity love towards Mother Earth, from which we all can learn and benefit. The rule of thumb: what you plant now, you will harvest later, runs throughout the quality of our lives, sometimes even more than we are aware. Loving nature doesn't cost anything, and so much happiness lies in it. That's all for today. ありがとうございます。じゃあまたね。